There we go. Now you can see it better. There's a guy knee deep in water. Water that's already pulled down that fence.
These people are gonna turn around too.
I wonder if he's... You think somebody's gonna help him?
Well, he's sitting there talking to him. We don't have anything to help him with. That's why we're standing
The funny thing was that car that drove by that guy with the umbrella. And the car that stuck totally splashed that guy when he drove by.
It really did.
And then the guy...
Look at this, look at this. He's gonna jump through it.
Oh, that guy
There's
doesn't
some
get...
wet feet. Look at all the water squishing out.
Oh, that guy doesn't get splashed again. I think God just does not want me to see Bellevue. He doesn't want me to see it.
Look at, did you get the fences that are torn down?
Yeah. Are we stuck in this spot now because of the other flooding on the other side? Okay. Here, I'm gonna get a little bit more opinion. Hold this for a second. Oops, sun park. We're gonna go right into it. And then there's a guy stuck still. Hey, how'd that feel when he drove by? He's right hear me. Look at that water. Oh, there's a firefighter. He's gonna help him. Or no, he's not. He's just gonna drive up there. Why don't people use their brains?
They figure they'll never do it unless they try.
Look at that water. And then people think they can drive through it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Well, we don't try to drive through it. We stay right there in the car.